大家好，如果你係百變小櫻嘅 fans， 呢一套由泡泡瑪特推出嘅盲盒就一定要留意啦。等我哋一齊嚟睇下抽盒手感。Hi everyone, I would like to share with you about the shaking tips of Card Chapter Sakura Clear Card Series Figures by PopMart。小狼喺呢個系列裏邊最輕嘅其中一款，搖嘅時候我哋會感覺到佢四面嘅空間都好大。小狼 is one of the lightest figures in the series. There's a lot of space when you shake the box in the lateral directions. 另一款輕嘅就係校服版小櫻，佢同小狼可以配襯成一對。搖盒嘅手感同小狼分別不大，所以兩者容易混淆。Sakura in the school uniform weighs and feels similarly with 小狼, so they are not easy to be distinguished. 下午茶版嘅小櫻都係偏輕嘅款，由於係坐姿嘅關係，所以佢露面嘅空間都好大。Sakura the afternoon tea version is light as well. Since she is in a sitting pose, there is a lot of space when you shake the box in all directions. 小櫻嘅青蛙雨衣版同下午茶版嘅重量差唔多，但係佢上下嘅空間就唔大，四面搖嘅時候會感覺到偏上嘅位置有打合感。For Sakura in the frog raincoat, there is little movement when you shake the box vertically. The figure collides with the upper part of the box when you shake laterally. 相信大家都好中意呢一款小櫻嘅透明水晶版，佢屬於中等重量，由於皇冠有泡沫保護嘅關係，所以上下搖唔喐嘅。Sakura in the clear crystal version is medium weight. Since the crown is protected by foam wrap, there is no movement when you shake the box vertically. 小櫻嘅星星版同透明水晶嘅重量差唔多，但係佢六面搖都會有空間。Sakura the star version is medium weight as well, but there is some movement when you shake the box in all directions. 呢一款姿勢嘅公仔可以同小櫻嘅下午茶版配襯成一對，同樣地，佢六面嘅搖動空間都好大。As for Tomoyo, similar with Sakura the afternoon tea version, there is a lot of space when you shake the box in all directions. 呢個系列比較重嘅有兩款，其中一個係小櫻嘅皇冠版，佢四面搖都有空間。值得留意嘅係佢有一包大嘅乾燥劑。Sakura the chrome version is one of the heaviest one. There is some movement when you shake the box laterally. Please be in mind that it comes with a large pack of desiccant. 另一款最重嘅就係小櫻富樂牌版，但係佢嘅乾燥劑係好細包㗎，我哋搖嘅時候會感覺到佢四面偏上嘅位置打合。Another one is Sakura the Glow Card version, yet it comes with a small pack of desiccant. The figure collides with the upper parts of the box when you shake it laterally. 今次嘅隱藏款係小櫻嘅透明水晶特別版，由閉上雙目變成睜開雙眼，伸出手迎接大家。呢一款真係好靚，希望大家都抽到中意嘅款啦！多謝你哋收睇我嘅 channel。If you want to know more about the shaking tips of Sakura, the clear crystal special version, feel free to click the link in the comment section. Thank you so much.